The magnetic bike trainer stand from Alpcour doubles the duty of your bicycle by turning it into a stationary bike with ease. The trainer stand is easy to install, has 6 resistance settings, reduced noise, and is suitable for 26 to 29-inch and 700C bicycles. To attach the stand, first unfold the frame and fully unwind the tightening knob. Then fold the resistance unit back all the way. Next, remove the existing quick-release skewer in your bike by flipping the lever up, undoing the nut, and sliding it out. Replace it with the one supplied. If your bike has a bolt through the axle, disregard the skewer. Now position your bike between the 2 cups and attach using the lever. It may not initially fit since frame widths vary. If so, simply release the lever and adjust the cup on the non-lever side accordingly. Once the bike is snug, tighten the resistance unit against the fully inflated tire, slightly denting the tire as the road would. Finally, attach the quick release controller to the handlebars in a convenient spot. To detach the stand, remove the resistance controller and cable from your handlebars. Next, pull the lever clamp up, firmly but gently. Finally, remove the front tire stabilizer while holding the bike. When you're done with the stand, fold it up and store it away, or place it in the sturdy carry bag that's included. A few things to keep in mind. Never use the trainer on uneven surfaces. Avoid sudden braking. Don't touch the wheels when they're in motion. Don't release the handlebars while riding. Make sure the tires are always inflated, and keep children and pets away when the bicycle is in use. Otherwise, you're ready to pedal to your heart's desire from anywhere at any time with the magnetic bike trainer stand from Alpcour.